Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the sociology exam? This is Praxis test code 5952. Praxis 5952 is an exam for entry-level 6 to 12 sociology educators. This problem set covers the subtopic of social institutions. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's get started. Question number 1. Of the following choices, sociological studies suggest that the most significant element of courtship is the desire to have children, interests and hobbies, career goals, or socioeconomic class. The desire to have children is important, but not the most significant element in courtship, according to sociological studies. Interests and hobbies contribute to compatibility, but are also secondary in importance. Career goals also play a role, but are not the primary factor either. Sociological research indicates that socioeconomic class is the most significant element of courtship. It greatly influences partner selection and courtship behaviors, shaping individuals' preferences and opportunities in the dating world. Question number 2. As secularization has occurred in modern times, one thing that has also occurred is the rise of civil religion, which is the rise in belief of society as the ultimate God, the decrease in the belief in a guiding God, the belief in science over all else, or the belief in a secular object, such as the Constitution, as sacred. The rise of civil religion is not the increase in the belief of society as the ultimate God, as this concept aligns more with societal worship rather than civil religion. It is also not simply the decrease in the belief in a guiding God, which refers to secularization itself rather than what rises in its place. Additionally, the belief in science over all else is related to scientism, not civil religion. The correct answer is the belief in a secular object, such as the Constitution, as sacred. Civil religion involves the sacred qualities attributed to secular institutions and objects, blending patriotism with religious-like reverence. Question number 3. Which of the following best describes the trend of singlehood in modern society? Dominating, stable, increasing, or declining? The trend of singlehood in modern society is not dominating, as it does not represent the majority lifestyle. It is not stable either, as the number of single individuals is changing. Declining is also incorrect, as the rate of singlehood is not decreasing. The correct answer is increasing, as more people are choosing to remain single or delay marriage, reflecting a growing trend in modern society. Question number 4. The rise of the post-industrial society saw the focus shift from goods to information, industrialization to technology, agriculture to technology, or information to services. Industrialization to technology is inaccurate because the shift was more about the type of economic activity rather than a simple technological advancement. Agriculture to technology is also incorrect, as it oversimplifies the transition. Information to services is not applicable since it suggests a different sequence. The correct answer is the shift from goods to information, highlighting the move from manufacturing to information-based economies. I hope I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find on the subtopic of social institutions for the Praxis 5952 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Wishing you all the best with your prep and your exam. Bye for now.